Yoga is more than just a series of poses. It's a journey into the depths of our own being, a gentle reminder to reconnect with ourselves amidst the chaos of daily life. When we talk about stretch training, we're really discussing the art of embracing flexibility, not just in our bodies, but in our minds and spirits too. Imagine waking up each morning, feeling a little lighter, a little more open, ready to face the world with a sense of calmness that comes from intentional movement. Stretching is the unsung hero of wellness. It improves circulation, eases tension, and enhances our range of motion, making everyday activities feel less daunting. For beginners, the world of yoga might seem intimidating, but it's all about starting where you are. With just a few simple stretches, you can unlock a treasure trove of benefits. Think about the relief you feel after a long day when you finally allow your body to unwind. That's the power of mindful stretching. Let's talk about some warm-up stretches. Picture yourself gently rolling your neck, releasing the stress that accumulates with every passing hour. Shoulder rolls can feel like a mini vacation for your upper body. And then, moving into the standing forward bend. What a beautiful way to release the weight of the day. It's an invitation to let go, to breathe deeply, and to find solace in the present moment. The cat-cow stretch is a delightful dance for your spine, igniting flexibility while connecting breath to movement. And as you settle into the seated forward bend, feel the gentle tug at your hamstrings, a reminder that it's okay to reach for what you desire, both physically and metaphorically. As we cool down, don't rush. Embrace the lying twist, allowing your spine to release its burdens. Each stretch is a chapter in your personal story of wellness, a moment to pause, breathe, and simply be. So, let's commit to this journey together, one stretch at a time.